Let's see how to select a sentence instantly in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you are working with a long document and you want to try and select a particular sentence rather than edit it word for word. So what you can do, first off, there are two ways to do this. First off is the longer method by highlighting that sentence. And while this works, and while this may seem easy, it's also easy to make mistakes using this method since you can tend to lose focus as you work. So what you can do to select a sentence instantly is place your cursor in the sentence, within the sentence. Let's say I'll place my cursor right here in the middle of the first sentence. Now click Control on your keyboard and click on that word, and that should automatically select the entire sentence up until where the period ends. And that will work for any part or any sentence within your document, such as this one, and as you can see, it only ends after the period, not within or after the commas. And that is how you can automatically select a sentence in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.